This is Perth. In today's video, we're going to be showing you some cool things to see and do in Perth, as well as this wonderful sunflower field. So we are at, oh go on, pronounce that. Gloagburn, and we're here to have a look at this little farm. This is just outside Perth. It's a nice little farm shop. Very busy today.
Hi guys, my name's Sean Brett, and this is my travel life.
There you go, guys. She's not Sean, I am.
No, I know.
Just in case you wanted to know. One called Minger.
No, I think that...
Some Highland cows and a sunflower field. So we were looking online earlier. It's just fully booked, so we might see if we can get in there still, because it might have some availability on the day sort of thing. There's a sunflower field you can go around. It's like a little maze. We're gonna have a look around now. Looks pretty cute. And also I might fly my drone from here. We'll see. Oh, it's a map of...
Very much.
Liam, just getting a hot dog bag!
Yeah.
A wee bit of water just there if your dog fancies.
She won't drink it either, sorry.
Here we are, we made it into the sunflower field. It's pretty cool. It costs £5 each. Again, this is very seasonal. What month are we in right now, guys? August, and we're towards the end of it, aren't we?
Yeah.
Walking.
Start of August, Sean.
No, we're at the end of the season sunflower.
I think it runs to the end of the...
Yeah, so yeah, we ended the sunflower season, aren't we? Or September?
I think it runs to the end of August.
August? Alright.
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer.
So that was a pretty cool drone shot. So we're just going to walk around this now, and I'm going to be showing you some cool scenic videos.
You missed the horseshoes.
Oh, missed the horseshoes, but they're going to get some awesome scenic videos of the sunflower and all the activities you can do here. Let's begin.
If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing ever will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere.
So that was the sunflower field. That's our lovely sunflowers, that's our bunch. And Lauren's bunch is there, little wee bunch. It's got little tiny ones. Mine's the one that's like slightly oblong shape, not perfectly round because it's got like features to it. That one there, I believe. It's got a feature to it, that's why it's a 5 out of 5 because it's got personality. It's not the best looker, but it's got personality, that's why it's a 5. Me. I've got... No, not me. I've got no personality, I'm English.
Your only personality.
Wow, right. These are Highland coos. And they... Oh, look at how cute he is. Yeah, cute little Highland cows. Right, so off to Perth we go. So we've just made it to Perth, and what do I think about it? I love it. Right, we're at this car park. It doesn't look as bad as the one in, where were we? Dundee?
Aberdeen.
Aberdeen. I feel like I was going to get stabbed in it. It's probably...
Let's not say that.
It's not bad. It looks like it's had a facelift at some point, so... what is it? £1.30 an hour-ish? Yeah, not too bad. Well, yeah, it's not too bad.
The longer you stay, the cheaper.
Yeah. And obviously, like, people like using their feet to press the door thing here. I don't know if that's just a thing in Perth or it's just
Scottish. Somebody smeared their face doing it.
Oh, lovely. Alright, okay, anyway, I'm going to show you actually Perth, not this park car park. Right, so, bye.
Bye!
So we've got a little map here, guys. I love a map. Oh, thanks, Lauren, for showing us there's a map. The people watching the camera couldn't seen it before you. Is that where we are?
The shopping centre's right across the road.
Is it? Actually, that one?
St John's.
Oh. Can we have a word about this? What is going on here? Greg's Primer. This is just now sexy. I'm going to go text over and see what Holly thinks of this. I'm going to tell her that I'm going to get it. It's on my size and everything. Let's see what she says. Look at it. I'll tell her that's for me. Let's see what she says. What do you think? What do you think?
That's a woman's. I think that is perfect for Iceland for you.
I think it would. Like, it looks lovely.
Oh,
like.
wait, sorry, wrong shop. You can't wear that to Iceland.
So, yes or no?
I'm gonna say no on this occasion.
Holly, what do you think? Would you still love me in this?
No.
Very fitting. No? I love the fact you're just ignoring me right now and I look like a goddess.
I look like a goddess. Are you getting it? Yeah, I think I will.
Oh, I think I won't.
No, that guy's stopping the other one from pushing it.
Oh, is it? Oh, this is two people at work. This guy does all the work. This guy pretends that he's doing the work, but actually he's not helping at all. Oh, it smells like wood in here, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Do you want to know why?
Because it's a lot of wood. It's lovely. You can come down here. You can either go out on a paddleboard, or you can just sit here and see the wonderful views. Do you know what looked good around here, girls?
What?
A drone shot.
Oh yeah. I wonder where we could get one of those. It is a mystery.
Oh, let's have a look.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is a city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place while we'd roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoned, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
So, drone shot's done now.
That was really good. Well done, Sean.
Thank you.
It looks fantastic.
Biggest supporter here. So that's the city of Perth for you. We saw an amazing sunflower field, and that's all from me as well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you check out other videos on our channel. I've got an amazing video on Aberdeen. You laughing because I think that my intro is terrible, my outro is terrible, and I'll see you again